Transporting tall cakes after spending hours creating them can be daunting. Our 14-inch high cake boxes help take the fear out of transportation by giving your stunning creations a place to call home until they're ready for the main event. Hey, I'm Mel from Boxed. Our cake boxes come flat packed and are super easy to put together. So it's really easy if you just do a quick little bend of the sides, like this, and then straight up, straight into here. One. There we go. And the other side in. Now a lot of our customers tell us that it's easier to leave this part until we get the bigger top, the box in here. In and in. Just pop that top bit over the top here and it slips straight in. Now as you can see, I'm just going to flip it around there for you to see. You can slide it straight into there and then you can easily just pop these last ones in. Up, straight into there, and the other one straight in. And as easy as that, you have yourself a tall cake box. All our tall cake boxes are 14 inches in height, but are available with different sized bases. Now, if your cakes have overhanging decorations, make sure to purchase a wider base. Having a broader base will make sure your cake fits in the box without any fuss. The base of the box is made from thick corrugated cardboard, which is super strong and extremely sturdy. This is essential when transporting cakes and will give you confidence that your masterpiece will arrive safely. Don't believe me? Just take a look at our customer reviews online. So as you can see, there are two pieces to each tall cake box, the base and the lid. What's unique about our design is the clear window here at the front. This plastic viewing window not only showcases your cakes beautifully, but it also ensures they are held correctly during transit. We always recommend carrying the box from the bottom. The stunning glossed finish can be easily wiped clean of any mishaps. At the same time, its white colour lets your customers focus more on your creations rather than the packaging. It also allows for your logo to stand out if you choose to add a custom sticker. The height of our tall cake boxes is unique, so it's perfect for tall cakes and cakes with acrylic toppers as they're taller than most standard boxes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and just a quick reminder to make sure to check all dimensions before purchasing. Thanks so much for watching.